Hello again everyone, I'm Goran Pruginic, Associate Product Manager for Laminate, Vinyl and Wood, and welcome back to 30 Days of Shnier. I'm excited to introduce the newly relaunched Accord Laminate series. Our Accord Waterproof Laminate line has been completely redesigned, now featuring an ultra matte finish and a range of stylish, on-trend colors. The result is a realistic, natural look that complements any residential space beautifully. The collection is available in two distinct formats: Accord Premium, a 12mm thick option, and Accord Select, a thinner 8mm profile. Both are excellent choices for residential renovations and new construction projects, whether single-family or multi-family homes. Accord's waterproof surface is supported by a high-density, low-swelling core and a waxed edge treatment, protecting it against everyday spills and making it suitable for any room in the home, including kitchens and bathrooms. Beyond water resistance, these laminates are built to handle the wear and tear of daily life. With surfaces that resist scratches, scuffs, and stains, and that are also inherently antimicrobial, you are investing in a cleaner and healthier home. These products are available in different sample formats, including our Richmond Tower program, chain sets, and architectural folders. To request samples, reach out to your Shnier representative, and for more information on this exciting new product, please visit Richmond Flooring at Shnier.ca. This is the new Shnier, sharing 30 days of people, products, and purpose.